Tetley from drproperties.ca. Thanks for joining us today. We have another beautiful villa to show you. I'm excited to see your reaction. Come visit with us. This is a stunning, beautiful 2-bedroom, 2.5 bath Villa Sunseeker. Very spacious living room. The furnishings are top of the line here. Lots of seating space to watch TV, dining rooms as well. The kitchen is fabulous. Space for an island, lots of cabinetry, fully stocked drawers. All your appliances are here, so you have your dishwasher, you have your stove, you have your microwave, you have a double fridge. Microwave down here is below in the island, in case you didn't see it. The master bedroom is behind me. If you come this way, it's very, very regal, very well decorated. This villa is 2 years old. Has the big 4-poster bed. Lots of nice, beautiful wooden cabinetry on the wall. Nice combination of shelves and hanging as well. It also does have its own ensuite bathroom in here, which is very, very tastefully done. It's done in natural coralina stone, so it's very elegant. The second bedroom is behind me here. For those of you who are familiar with the Sunseeker plan, what's awesome about it is the 2 bedrooms are completely separated from one another. So bedroom number 2 is actually over in here. It too is a good size. This one comes with all the artwork that you have. It's got upper end curtains and blinds. Complete with like upper end linens on the beds, comforters, pillows. You come out here and you have a very spacious linen cupboard with upper end towels. You also have a sliding door here as well. Bathroom is accessible to your guests during the day, but the pocket door allows it to be used as an ensuite in the evening for bedroom number 2. Join me as we go outside, because you know what life is like here in the DR. You always want to be living life outside. Out here you have a spacious bar, you have a beautiful barbecue, you have indoor and outdoor dining. You can easily sit here on the couches or the stools, have a glass of wine, watch some TV, watch your favorite sports, enjoy time with friends, enjoy time by yourself, just with a book on the couch if you'd like. If we continue out to the outer building, this door here is actually the outdoor bath, half bath, so you do not have to worry about going back into the villa if you're in the pool and you're a little bit wet. Half baths are always wonderful. From the other side, we actually have full laundry, so you have a full-size washer dryer here, as well as some storage unit. Here they're keeping their lawnmower for now. The yard here is 565 square meters of construction. It's very well done. There's been some additional landscaping that the owner of this particular villa put in, which makes it stunning, lush, green, very full. There's lots of palms, there's lots of bananas. There's lime trees. You have your loungers. You have your umbrellas if you'd like a little bit of shade. You still enjoy an outdoor shower. You still have your pool to jump in and cool, splash. Make use of the lounge deck in the pool if you just wanted to chill and not really do any swimming. So in closing, I kind of wanted to give you a bit of a recap on this villa. 2-bedroom, 2.5 bath, Sunseeker model. Sunseeker is one of the most popular models that Casa Linda builds, and it's very common that people are looking for Sunseekers because they let in so much natural light. It's 136 square meters of construction. The lot on this particular villa is 565 square meters. It can't get any better. You really need to come join us. Of course, you know the drill. Email us, WhatsApp us, send us a message. We'd love to show you this villa in person.